channel. So today we're gonna be having a bullet fight. Grab a handle and stuff them in your pocket. Put them in there. I don't have any pockets. You're cooking, buddy. And once you're out of bullets, once we're both out of bullets, it's on to a new round. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Gotta focus on buttons. Ah! Yes. This is intense. I can't even shoot him. No! Yes! No! Yes! Run away! Oh, no! I got him. No! Run, did I get you? No. Oh, man. No. No, Eli, no. Please. No. I want to. You're not in a YouTube video. Oh, so close. So close. It's really intense. This is fun. Do I bullets or what? You missed. I have one more bullet left. No! Got you! I got him! I have one more bullet! Let's go! Let's go! I have one more bullet too! I'm just... No! Zoom in! I have 2 bullets. I missed! Yes! You got me. What? No! Yes! You're not playing. Oh, this is intense. We're having a fight to the death. Let it simmer. Got it. Oh, he got me in the shoulder blade. Eli, you're not playing. This game's so fun. Yeah, you know. Ow! In the head! I got it. No! Ow! How do you do this? This. Gotta be moving. Got me on the stove. Sliding. I hit you wrong. I missed you. I missed. Oh. Hey Grant, who do you think's gonna win?
I don't know.
I think
Me and Chris's team. Chris's team. And I'm on Chris's team. So probably Chris. Ow.
yes.
No.
Oh. No! such a dumb dumb. I didn't strangle it. No. Missed.
I missed.
Yeah.
Christian, I missed. I'm not on team.
In the head.
Oh yeah, I'm getting your head.
Got ya.
Ow, my foot.
That's why I told you not to be in a stupid video. Oh my. Oh my. One.
Not you.
Oh, such an idiot. I'm mad.
See it.
Help me. Ow.
Stop, you.
I got it. You're not even playing. You stop. No, you're not. Because this is my YouTube channel, and it's not yours. So you don't get to decide. How did you?
Terry.
How did
Can I play Barbara's game?
Not right now, buddy.
I'm good at dodging.
I have a gun.
That's cool.
You're so good. You have to pass that dodging. Oh. I'm stalking. You don't. Oh, you are me. Nothing. Oh my God, you got me. Right forward. It'll be 6-6. You missed. You stalking. You missed. Who are you? I got this right here. Here's a trap! Oh, yeah! Got you in the butt. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is what I'm going to do to you. If you don't like and subscribe. He said trap!
For you.
Oh my God. Shut my mouth. You know the big diamonds. That's beautiful.
I'll spell shoot you. I'll spell get
You
her.
hit me in the eye. We hit each other at the same time. I'm switching. I don't care. You can't switch. Okay.
Can I switch?
Oh! How did I go?
I'm in this ball. So I switch and gun. And then
Hey, eat on me. No.
roll. Why?
Don't use that. That's my gun. Got you.
Yeah.
Guys, why would you take that? That means the balls. Did not like you. Oh, I died. Now I did it. Slow poke. Mom, where's the food?
Right there, baby.
Oh! Can I have this? Almost.
No.
But so
Christian
close.
got it, but I told him not to eat it. It's for the camp. No, it's for camp.
Take one back out.
Can I just want some, Mom?
No, Iris. I told him to put it back.
Oh, crap.
Fine, yes, you can have a few.
Yes.
All right, it's been 11 minutes. I'm getting sick of filming.
Yeah. Let's go outside. It got it right.
Oh my gosh, I'm running out.
Up there. I'm going out. That's empty.
Who is he?
Right here.
Oh my gosh! The best holiday spot ever in the world. Can I be my God? Did I just steal all the boots? There's no boots. There's no boots. I can still judge. Got you on the back.
I need it.
No, you didn't. You missed. Yes. Sorry.